In today's video, I'm going to teach you to open a Halifax bank account online. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. Begin by heading to the official Halifax website in a secure browser, or open the Halifax mobile app on your device. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that the app, if you're using it, is updated to the latest version for a smooth experience. Next, choose the type of account you want to open. A current account is designed for day-to-day banking like spending, receiving your salary, and setting up direct debits. A savings account is typically for putting money aside and earning interest. Take a moment to read the account descriptions, any eligibility notes, and key features like fees, interest rates, and overdraft options so you pick the one that fits your needs. When you're ready, start the online application. The site or app will guide you step by step, often with a progress bar, so you can track where you are. Set aside a few minutes to complete everything in one go without rushing. You'll be asked for personal details such as your full legal name, your current address, and your income information. Enter these exactly as they appear on your official documents. If you've recently moved, ensure your address is up to date and consistent. Income details help Halifax understand your financial picture and recommend suitable account features. You'll then provide proof of identity, like a valid passport or driving license. If you're uploading a photo or scan, use good lighting, avoid glare, and make sure all corners and text are clearly visible. If the app asks you to capture the document with your camera, hold it steady and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may also need to confirm that you are a UK resident and that you meet the age requirement, which is usually 18 or over. This confirmation helps Halifax meet regulatory checks and ensures you're applying for the right product. Once everything is filled in, review your application from top to bottom, correct spelling errors, double-check dates, and make sure your details match your ID. When you're confident it's accurate, submit your application. Finally, wait for approval. Some decisions arrive quickly, while others can take a little longer if additional checks are needed. Keep an eye on your email or the app for updates. Once approved, your account will be ready to use, and you'll receive the details you need to get started. And that's it, your Halifax bank account is now opened online.